Have you been curious about using AI, but secretly thinking it's too complicated, it's not for me, or it'll make my business feel fake? You're not alone. I hear these myths all the time from women entrepreneurs, and honestly, they're holding us back from using a tool that could save hours and help us scale. Today, I'm breaking down the three biggest AI myths and the truth that'll free you up to start using AI with confidence. Hey, I'm Whitley, founder of Creatively We Design. I help women-led brands go from DIY and scattered to profitable in 90 days with my launch and scale framework. But this month, I am showing you how AI fits into this framework and how you can use it to work smarter, not harder. In this video, we're going to talk about three myths. 1, AI is too complicated for me. 2, AI will make my brand sound robotic. And 3, AI is replacing humans. Let's dig in. Myth 1, AI is too complicated for me. This is the number one fear I hear. I'm not techie enough for AI. But here's the truth. AI tools are built to be simple. If you can type a question into Google, you can use AI. You literally just tell it what you want in plain English. The real shift isn't technical, it's mindset. Instead of thinking, I have to figure everything out myself, you realize you now have a smart assistant sitting right next to you. AI does not replace your skills, it amplifies them. And you do not need to know how it works under the hood, you just need to know what to ask. Second myth, if I use AI, my business will sound fake. I get this one. Nobody wants to sound like a robot. But here's the secret. AI only sounds robotic if you don't guide it. If you teach it your brand voice, your tone, your phrases, your style, it will mirror that back to you. You can literally say, write this in a friendly conversational tone, like I'm talking to a friend over coffee. And that's what it'll do. Think of AI like a first draft assistant. It gives you the raw material and then you put your personal spin on it. That saves you time while keeping your brand human. Myth. And the third myth, AI is here to replace us. No, AI can't replace your lived experience, your creativity, your perspective as a woman entrepreneur. What it does is it handles the repetitive, time-sucking tasks. So you can stay in your zone of genius. For example, AI can brainstorm 20 email subject lines for you, but only you can decide which one speaks to your audience. AI could draft an outline for your website, but only you can inject the story that makes it yours. AI doesn't replace your voice. It gives you more time and space to actually use it. Let's recap the three biggest myths that keep women stuck. Myth 1, AI is too complicated. Truth? No. If you can type it, you can use it. 2, AI makes you sound robotic. Truth? No. Only if you let it. Teach it your voice. Myth 3, AI replaces human. Truth? No. It just frees you up to focus on what you only can do. Once you see past these myths, you'll realize AI isn't something to fear. It's something to leverage. If this was helpful, subscribe and keep watching my 30 Days of AI series. Tomorrow, we'll talk about AI versus the human touch, how to strike the right balance so your brand feels authentic. If you want a simple place to start, grab my free mini email flow map in the description, pair it with AI, and you'll see how easy it is to create systems that sell on autopilot. Remember, AI isn't the future, it's here now. And women entrepreneurs who embrace it early will be the ones scaling smarter.